Hello there, friends and family. A warm welcome to you all. Thank you so much for joining us today on Anaba's Kitchen. We are presenting our potato wedges recipe, soft and creamy on the inside and just crunchy perfection on the outside. And friends, the simplicity of this recipe is what I absolutely adore about it. My family also love it. Husband, children, they absolutely enjoy this recipe. So I hope you will be able to replicate it. Very simple. Let's begin first by washing our potatoes. So these here are Idaho potatoes, and they're easily accessible in any part of the world. They are starchy and they fry very beautifully. So I scrub them because I will be leaving the skins on. I dump the water, rinse them again, and then I begin to cut them into wedges. Now, cutting them into wedges just makes them more presentable, I find, and the children really love the shape. So what I do is I take one, cut it into two equal parts. So I find the middle and I just cut it right there. And then I'm going to take one half, cut it again into halves. And I have two large wedges, which I'm going to cut again into two wedges. So I end up with 8 wedges from one potato. And friends, once you have cut them all into your preferred wedge sizes, you're going to need to rinse them again. Why? Because they release starch onto the surface of the potatoes once they are cut open. So I rinse them twice just to get rid of most of the starch because I really want them to fry crunchy on the outer layer, leaving the inside moist, soft, and creamy. Next step, I'm going to dry these potatoes. So I take a clean kitchen towel and place a handful of the potato wedges into it and just dry them, pour them back into my bowl, and continue that process until they're all nice and dry. Just pat them dry lightly. I make a big batch each time because I just can't seem to make enough. It is just that good. What I've just poured on here is turmeric, which is going to give it a light yellowish hue and a warm, inviting fragrance, and in the end, also a stunning presentation. So toss it around. You want to make sure that all the potato wedges are coated with the turmeric. And then wear your gloves too, because the turmeric has the potential to stain your fingernails. All right, now it is time to fry. So I pour some oil into my frying vessel, and we're going to be frying on medium heat. Once you see the rippling action going on, the oil is ready for your potato wedges. So lay them in gently, being careful always to protect your skin. And then you're going to fry for about 3 minutes. You don't want them to cook all the way through or to gain any crunchiness at this time, because we are going to be double frying these potato wedges. And that is the secret for gaining that crunchy factor. So after 3 minutes, remove them from the oil and set them on a paper towel to drain the excess oil. And also you want to let them cool down. Okay, and fry the next batch for another 3 minutes till all the potato wedges have been through the first frying phase. And while they're cooling down, it gives us time to prepare a dynamite dry wrap. So I have lemon pepper, followed by thyme and some smoked paprika. I also have some salt, garlic powder, and the secret ingredient is the coconut sugar, which you may substitute with regular granulated sugar or brown sugar. The sugar is just a pinch of it. And let me tell you, it really elevates the flavors in this dry wrap, which we're going to sprinkle onto the potato wedges once they're fried the second time, which we're doing right now. And this time we're going to fry for 4 to 5 minutes until we get that crusty, crunchy outer layer. So that's happening right now, still on medium heat. Now, the sugar really brings that glutamate factor, that taste that you can't really put your finger on, but you know it's something that you really love. So be sure, please, to capitalize on that step. Do not skip it. See how crunchy it is now. This is the second frying completed, and we are ready to sprinkle our dynamite dry rub right onto these hot crunchy potatoes. Toss them around. Make sure each potato wedge is coated with our dynamite dry rub. It is ready to serve. Let me tell you, when I make this, my family cannot have enough. I'm telling you, they love, love, love these potato wedges. It goes well with grilled chicken, fried fish, grilled fish, any protein you want, even omelets. I've had it with chibom before, and this time around we had it with the grilled chicken, the charcoal grilled chicken, and some of that green sauce. Oh my gosh, look at it. Just look at how soft and creamy and moist it is on the inside. Oh yes, it was really good, and it's nice and crunchy. Yes, I went. I had. We were in a hurry when we shot this video. My husband is like, we have to hurry up and we have to go because we had an important errand to run. But I was like, no, let's do another one. So there it is, and dip it into that sauce. So good. I had to do another one. Yes, it was so good. Every time I make this, my family is absolutely happy and grateful. I hope you're able to do this also for you and your family. I know you will absolutely love it. I thank you all so much for watching. As always, friends and family, make it a great day and have fun, especially in that kitchen.